So the courier just dropped this off, and it's a battery bank that I picked up from Amazon, as you can clearly see. I've just opened the box up already, so you don't have to see me wrestling around with it. And it's the Tronsmart Presto. So this is one of the few battery banks out there that actually support Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 spec. This is for both charging your devices, if you have a device that supports that, of course, like the Nexus 6P or the LG G5. And it also has a large 12,000 milliamp hour capacity, and you can also charge it quickly with Qualcomm Charge 3, the battery pack itself here, which is good. Tronsmart claim that you can charge the thing in about 6 hours, which is a nice little speed there. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so actually it's a bit smaller than what I thought it would be. Let's have a look. So quite thin actually. So made out of plastic. It's got like a matte coating on it. It doesn't feel too bad in hand. And there you can see the typical status LEDs are indicating the battery level of the pack itself. There's a power on there. Okay, so I already got 75% from the factory. That's quite good. And the ports are on the front here. So we got the blue port. There's the standard size USB. That's Quick Charge 3 logo there. And then it says in and out on the Type-C port here. So look what else is in the box. Okay, so they've included a USB to Type-C plug there. That'll be for charging the pack, and you can also use that same cable, of course, to charge your devices. So I'll have a look now and see what kind of output it's going to give us. So I'm just going to plug in a Galaxy S6 here and have a look how that charges that. So 5 volts, just over 1 amp there, and about 5 watts. I just test out another phone. So I just plug in my Mi Max. And that's now charging, and at slightly higher rate there. So 6 watts, 1.2 amps, 5 volts still. And now I will just test out how fast it's going to charge, well, the charging rate I can get from a Quick Charge 3 charger. So I'm using the supplied cable. Let's plug this in now. Now I'm not sure whether my meter is going to actually read this correctly, but there we go. It's charging now at 1 amp. I'm about to hit 2 amps there, 5 volts. And actually it's gone up to about 3 there. It's not reporting it correctly, 10 watts. So I imagine that's going to definitely charge probably at that rate they state, which is 6 hours to fully charge it, which isn't too bad considering the 12,000 milliamp hour capacity. And lastly, just check out the weight of it. I've got my scales here. Okay, so more or less 255 grams, which isn't too bad. And have a look at the dimensions. So it is at about 116 millimeters, so 16 centimeters, and the thickness comes in around 20 millimeters there, so not too bad. So that's the Tronsmart Presto unboxing and review. Really, I can't really show you too much more on this. Looks like a fairly decent Quick Charge 3 spec battery pack there with a very large capacity, quite a slim, compact design. And it should definitely do the job for charging your quick charge devices out there. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully see you back in the channel soon with more up and coming reviews on tech.